indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include heated seats, premium sound system, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moonroof. Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, backup camera, keyless entry, traction control, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.